Alright guys, bumpers are painted. Now, it's time for the whole car. Well, the painting is complete. Took me about 3 days. Now we're just finalizing the rest of the car. Did some touch up on the edges. Painted this front radiator support matte black. Looks clean. We also color matched these strut tower bars. That looks pretty cool to me. Headlights are in. Got that side panel on the fender on. Mirrors, door handles, interior under the hood windshield trim. Beautiful red bumper with the chrome. Looks so good. Let's keep going. Finish this thing up. Man, this stinger cooks. So we got it painted, got in alignment, the bumpers are thrown together, filled up the trans with some more fluid. Now, we're off to the vehicle inspection.
Dice is on the beat.
just like that, the Stinger is all done. Pops is already whipping it on the daily. To God be all the glory for this build. So we'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya. Now some of you may be wondering, CJ, wasn't there a ton of lights on the dash and weren't you having issues with the speedometer and tachometer not working? Yes, turns out it was the CAN bus. The CAN bus was down, which is basically the communication lines of the whole vehicle harness. And the CAN bus was down because the bumper harness, the rear bumper harness, and a secondary front bumper harness was not plugged in, which is why the CAN bus was down, which is why the speedometer and the tachometer weren't working, which is crazy to me because I've never seen that before. So once I had those harnesses plugged in, everything came back to life. No codes. We had one code for the adaptive headlights, and that's because the moisture packets in the backside of the headlight were too full, pushing against the actuators in the headlight, causing them to stick. So we replaced those. Now the headlight light on the dash is off. Now I am waiting on 2 rear rims. As you guys know, I ordered the wrong size, and they're on back order, so we'll install those once they arrive. Another clarification, I had to rip off the tint on the front windows because my dad couldn't see out of them at all at night. It was pitch black. Turns out it was double 5% on both of them. That's insane. Never seen that before. 2 layers of 5%. Also, since Christmas is in 2 days, me and my brothers got Pops a toolbox. You think he'll figure it out? I don't know, but this is much needed. And lastly, I don't think I've really mentioned this, but the Stinger is tuned. It has a ECU piggyback module, which sends way more boost and power to the turbos and the engine. And that sucker spins the tires off in 2nd and 3rd gear doing a pull. It's so much fun. And I haven't even told Pops about it yet. $50